Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, we are going to extending the same program with else statement. Let's see how simple it is. So here what I am trying to doing, this new date and get hours I am making into a simple constant variable. We are making more productive. Const, like take hour, that equal to what I am trying to doing, just removing from these two, cutting and paste. So terminate till this. So this hour is having what the hour is we are getting to storing in this area. Okay, and one more variable I'm going to defining here. So what it is, I'll define it before comparing with this hour, HOUR. So earlier code is and this code is also same, where whenever you are trying to writing something to compare, you need to define any of variable that value first. Why it is required and important? Whenever you are dealing with the variables, you have an ample of opportunity to validate the variable very clearly. So the validations and all you may write very accurately. You may write the information over here. Alright. Now purely we are making it's in a dynamic way. So let's see. If I run this, same will get an output. So good day we will get. By default it's a good evening, no? So the good day we will get. Let's see. Save this and reload. So we are getting good day. Perfect. Now what I am trying to doing, if I want to make it is else condition, I need to write this the same statement. Instead of doing that, what I am trying to doing, I'm making like a letter message. Let message. I'll write something, a message for here to display. Okay, that message for this I'm trying to making remove from here. If else block I prepared, open and end parenthesis, I have a created here. Perfect. Now I'm taking this statement. So now what I'm trying to doing, if hour less than 20, it is going to storing this hour time here. If the I'm verifying the if condition, if hour is less than 20, should be print one statement. This block of code to be execute and run. If not, if the condition is false, it should be go to the else part and this block of the code should be print. The decision, how the decision is going to be making here, how clearly it will understand. Let's see. So what happened, how we need to map the using this variable, very simple. Message equal to we may put message equal to we may put good day. Okay, or else message that equal to we may put dynamic, purely the dynamic way we are writing now. So this is we can put like a good evening, evening, and this message variable is going to be mapped here. Oh sorry, yes, directly we can map the message what is available. So now let's test it first quickly. Reload. Yes, reload, save it, reload, good day. Now I am making it is in a 2, making it is in a 2, save it, reload, good evening. So this condition is false, it's going to be code is automatically going to and else part, this block of code is blocking like executing or running. This statement is going to be assigning to this message, hence we are getting this message in output with the paragraph tag. So by default it is given good evening. So maybe you may thought that it's coming. So I'll make it 1 2 3 by default message. So if I refresh, so we are getting this good evening only. Clear? So if it will verifies, this block will be executed, this message will get. Like let's see, if I make it 20, this block is true, and immediately the code will be executed in if block. Now it will be ignored automatically. If the condition is false, then only it will be entered into the else block. Save it. Yes, good day. So awesomely we are getting a particular accurate result. In the next lecture, we'll see if else elif. how the possible things are there. Thank you.